Well, guide, you choose how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Go to your Facebook menu, typically located in the bottom right corner of the app. Head to your settings by scrolling down until you see the section for settings and privacy. Click to expand it, then click on settings at the top. In the settings menu, find the section called Account Center and click on it. Scroll down until you see Personal Details and click on it. In the Personal Details section, click on Account Ownership and Control. You should see the option in the middle labeled Deactivation or Deletion. Click there. Choose the account you wish to deactivate. If it's your Facebook account, select it. Choose whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. For deactivation, ensure it's selected. Press Continue and enter your password. Then press Continue again. Optionally, provide a reason for deactivating your account, then press Continue. Review the information provided, then press Deactivate my account at the bottom. That is it. Your Facebook account will be deactivated. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.